Good morning everyone. My name is Sangbinem and we are here to discussing about the topic how to deal with international terrorism. So first of all, I would like to give some introduction about this. And this is very serious issue because all the countries are endangered because of this, and this is very serious issue not only for one country, not for only one particular country, in fact for the whole world. And there are uh, unfortunately there is no any precise way to deal with it, but in fact so many strategies are there to deal with it. And first I would like to tell some strategy, and that is first is United Nations approved a strategy in 2006, that was United Nations Global Counter Terrorism strategy. And there are four pillars, and we can say four some points highlighted in this topic, in this issue, that was increasing the capabilities of the countries, of the states, to deal with it, to prevent the terrorism and deal with the terrorism. And the second point is, we can say that uh, tackling the conditions to lead to the spread terrorism. And this is very serious issue that most of the countries help those terrorist groups, and they provide help those terrorism group. And this is very rare condition of that countries. Like we can say that Pakistan also helps these terrorist group, and also help financially. And the cooperation intervention is also important, because if the cooperation will intervene all those countries, that there can be some prevention there can be some prevention. And another strategy, we can say that global counter terrorism forum. Spain participated in this group very actively, and this group is an informal body of analysis and debates. And so many meetings are they held they in their so many meetings are held in their groups. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Logan Yadav. I would like to thank sir for giving this topic we have discussed. Terrorism is a common problem in the modern world. The most popular theory is that the most popular theory that by poverty. Terrorism is a act is aims to create a fear among the people and involve the if we want to live in peace, we should face terrorism boldly, and government should take very strong action for terrorism. Thank you.
Very good morning, friends. My name is Bhupen Singh, and I belong to Tidwaya, a rural area of Tidwaya. And friends, today's topic is very impressive, and it is very well known as well, as because no one country and no other countries had ever faced this known country that never faced this problem. That means this is problem which is suffering, which is making the every country in the world in the trouble also. Friends, here main persons have all you have told what is terrorism. In my opinion, if I say in a line, then I will put like this: this is the most heinous things which has been made by the human to kill the humanity and to treat the human as well as to get their demand fulfilled only. This is the definition I can say for the terrorism. They just treat the other people, treat the innocent people. They just kill the innocent to get their demand fulfilled. Friends, as ma'am has said about that on the international level, there are many countries, there are many forum organizations. They are working for tackling with this problem. And friends, first I will give you the examples which has been taken place in the world by this attack of terrorism. Friends, as now we talk that America, Russia, France, Japan, many countries are very developed. They have good technology, defense system, a good economy. But friends, still they didn't remain untouched by this problem also. If I talk about America, the so-called superpower America, it has also been a victim of this terrorism attack in 9/11. As you know, this is called the 9/11 attack. In this, the World Trade Center tower has been targeted. In this attack, approximately 400 person was employee was killed, and approximately 30 to 35 security personnel was killed in that. And in this attack, 4 aeroplanes were hijacked. That was the most deadly attack in the history of terrorism attacks. Now, friends, I will go other developed countries. I'm talking about the developed countries, not India. I will talk about India first. First, the developed countries, we say that's a developed country. Other is France. In the France, in Paris, especially the the name of that theater was the Matal Square. In that, terrorist attack has happened, and there were innocent people were just sitting, and in the bombing attack there were more than 200 people were killed within 10 or 15 seconds. There was also a heinous attack ever we have seen this. Other one is like Pakistan. We always talk whenever talk about the terrorism, then we just go for the Pakistan. Friends, Pakistan is also suffering from this problem. Last year 2015, in the Peshawar school, there was a bombing has been done by the terrorism, and the responsibility was taken by TTP. I don't know what is the full form, but that was the TTP. And in that, approximately 139 children, school children were dead, and other 130 was injured in that. So now we can say that if a country is supporting to the Pakistan, as you have told that Pakistan give them financial support, still they are getting this problem same. So we can't say this. Then if a country is giving them support, then they can be safe from this. So this is the problem for all over the world. So friends, all countries are also working for tackling this problem. As ma'am has said in the 2016 United Nations counterterrorism policy has been approved. That was a good point I have seen there. They have also you have talked that 4 pillars like tackling with the condition which leads the terrorism, enhancing the power of the countries which are facing this problem, and making the human rights rules. Other one is making the fight rules with the terrorism. Friends, if I talk my India, so friends, India always, whenever Indian delegation go to the out of the world on the international forum, then we just say about the terrorism because they know this is the problem. If we don't eradicate this from the world can't live in the peace, as you have said. If we wanna live in peace, then first we will have to eradicate this problem. Now I would like to go for the cause. Why does it produce? Why there is being so much problem for the countries? The first, the sir has told poverty. Poverty, yeah, it may be the one cause, but other one is nowadays we whenever see the Islam, the attacks is being made by only the Islamic states. This is like common thinking. We have got that Islam and this is also a thinking, but not so approved thing. This is not approved thing. This is thinking like that. So friends, you have talked about the most important things like terrorism. How can we tackle with this also? If I talk about India, what does India do, and what's the India's policy to tackle this problem? So from the 2014 and 15, India has translated it our policy against terrorism into the zero tolerance. It means we will not tolerate any one of the attack from terrorism by any way. We will retaliate on the same way they have attacked on India. Last 2016, we have performed the surgical strike. That was our first surgical strike which has been done by Indian Army. And in that surgical strike, Indian Army personnel were dead, and they have just killed more than 300 terrorism in the POK side. That was also good because it shows the India's zero tolerance policy, that we will not tolerate now. That this is the new India, then it will retaliate. So this is the Indian policy to tackle this problem, and India is also performing the vital role in the world level to tackle this problem. So now friends, in the end, I would like to conclude this topic like this. If you want to live in peace, then all countries will have to be one to tackle this problem, because this is making the whole world troubled. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. भारत माता की
Jai Hind.
जय हिंद.
Jai Hind.